Hello everyone, myself Pooja Ellar. I am presently pursuing my MSc Environmental Sciences at IRI New Delhi. As in previous video, we discussed about academic opportunities that a student gets in the field of environmental sciences, and in this video we are going to discuss about various job opportunities for a environmental science student. So there is vast scope for environmental science students in both private and government sectors, and you can be environmental scientist, environmental consultant, environmental wild photographer, wild filmmaker, and a lecturer, whatnot, and director of waste management, and a journalist, etc. So, in particular, after finishing your BSc Environmental Science degree or BSc AG, like any other degree programs, you have that you are graduated and you can appear in any of the competitive exams, which is conducted based on graduation. And you can appear for those exams like IBPS exam, banking exam, and then for state PCS examinations and UPSC examinations if you are interested in administrative part. So after MSc in Environmental Sciences, you can give GET examination, which is recently introduced by IIT Bombay. GATE examination is nothing but graduate aptitude test in engineering. And recently one of the subject like environment science and engineering, it is introduced, and in which MSc environmental science students are also eligible to give this examination. And the pattern, coming to pattern of this examination, it will be conducted in online mode and under three sections. One is general aptitude, mathematics, and subject based. And here subject, it is environmental sciences only, along with some basic engineering topics you need to study and prepare for this examination. The total questions will be 65 and the total marks will be 100. And if you get good score in this GATE examination, there are a lot of benefits are there, particularly if you want to get into IITs, NITs, and also Indian Institute of Science. You can they consider your GATE score for recruiting you, and you can also work in those labs. And many pollution control board, DRDO, ISRO, and Vizag Steel, BARC, and many top organizations, especially EIA, which is Environment Impact Assessment Consultancy firm, and these organizations will recruit you based on this GATE score. They will consider your GATE score, and also they will call for, if you have good GATE score, they will call you for the interview, and finally they will be shortlisted and then selected. So another option is that NABARD, writing NABARD exam. The NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, whose headquarters is at Mumbai. It offers a promising career and very attractive salary, and it is topmost. It is considered as one of the prestigious jobs in under government sector. Nowadays, every year they are calling, they are recruiting, and you can write exam for grade A and grade B officers for assistant manager and manager. And coming to exam pattern, there will be it will be conducted under three stages. One is preliminary exam, mains exam, which is for 200 marks, and in mains you need to write descriptive paper, and there will be two papers, and then interview will be there for 25 marks, and finally the shortlisted candidates will be selected. And for it is also the same for manager post, where except where in mains exam you need to write 3 papers and the interview will be for 40 marks. Other than this, you can also work as under many projects in CPCB, and also you'll get opportunities to work as scientist or technical assistant in Botanical Survey of India and Zoological Survey of India, and also in Forest Research Institute, which is in Dehradun. Other than this, you can also work in CSRI labs. There are many CSRI labs are there in our India, and I have listed here in particular which are most related to environmental sciences, and I would like to read it out. And the only thing you need to do is that you need to check in each and every websites. You need to visit these websites and you need to see whether they have released a notification for recruitment. Yeah, I would like to read the list of CSRI labs. One is Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, which is at Dhanabad, and Central Leather Research Institute, which is at Chennai. Fort Paradigm Institute at Bangalore, Indian Institute of Toxicology Research at Lucknow, Institute of Mineral and Material Technology at Bhubaneswar, National Botanical Research Institute at Lucknow, National Chemical Laboratory at Pune, National Environment Engineer Research Institute at Nagpur, National Institute of Oceanography at Goa, National Physical Laboratory, which is situated at New Delhi. So you can apply and work under projects in these CSRI labs, and if you are interested in teaching and research field, you as I said in previous video, you can join as assistant professors, or you can clear ARS exam and be a scientist and in these research institutes. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.